So I would like you to all please just raise your glasses to Annabella and Brandon, two people from opposite ends of the world, Ecuador and South Africa, brought together simply by love.
To hold your hand and call you mine, I'm trying to be your man till the end.